Alright, welcome back to the garage. Today, I'm going to unbox a Ridgid Hybrid Propane Heater. It is about 25 degrees in my uninsulated garage, and I need to heat this sucker up so I can work on my car. So let's get to it. Hit that intro. So we're going to call this an unboxing. Hose here. So as you see, they call this a hybrid design because you can run, if you have a Ridgid battery pack, you can slap that in there, or you can run it on 120 volts. So first things first, you're going to want to crack your garage door. It is imperative you crack your garage door. You're going to need to bring fresh air in, because this will kill you of carbon monoxide poisoning. So I have the door up about 18 inches. The instructions say you need to keep 2 feet clearance from the sides and the back, and about 6 feet from the front. So that's my hose. We'll hook that up to the propane tank. And I also have a little carbon monoxide monitor I'm gonna have in the garage to monitor this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Got the hose unfurled. Take your 9/16. Pop the cap off of the port here. Don't over tighten, just get it good and snug. And you're gonna wanna thread that directly on your propane tank. Give it a little push there. Yep, there you go. Alright, when you connect this to your tank, you need to thread it counterclockwise. That was the issue I was having. And then once you get this started, you need to bring it outside. So I got my cord plugged in. Gas is on. Now we're gonna go hit the on-off button. And we're gonna hold the, turn green, now we hold the flame button in, it's not pressing. Set the camera down. There it goes. And we're lit. There we go. Turn that temp up. Boom. And you smell a little propane gas. Now it's just going full bore. Put this tank outside and we're gonna let her run. Hopefully soon I won't be seeing my breath when I do that. Alright, so we're closing in on 15 minutes. And we're already up almost 5 degrees in the garage. My little temp gun warmed up so it's not quite so wonky. And it's showing, yeah, we came up 10 degrees now. We got 35 and way up close to the ceiling. It's warmer. All the heat's rising. Yeah, look at that. We got 54 way up here. Point this at the where my laser, there we go. Kicking out close to 500 degrees right there. Yeah. So it's warming up in here. And it's about 16 minutes. Also wanted to point out our CO2 meter. Keep that garage door open. Alright, we're 46 minutes in. I think we're up about 11 degrees now. Coming along, not too bad. You still see my breath, but it's at least above freezing in here now. Well, we're an hour and 9 minutes in. I think we might have hit a plateau due to this garage not being insulated. We're at about 38. That says 42, but when you go look up in the rafters, it's 55. So all the heat's escaping up the roof. Another lesson for you, insulate your damn garage. Which I will be doing this summer, so. And I also brought the heater in a little closer and brought the door down a little bit. And we're still at 0 carbon monoxide. Warming up my oil-filled heaters to give me a little supplemental heat when I pull the car in here. So I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. Forgot to mention about this at Home Depot. They had it listed in the store for $149, but on their app it was listed for $129. So when I brought it to the checkout counter, I told the cashier, showed them the app, they matched up the part number, verified it, punched in $129, so I got it for $129. And all in all, this is a slick little heater. Brought my uninsulated garage up 13 degrees in a little over an hour. So there we go. Thanks for visiting. Be sure to check out my other content. I'm a shade tree Chevy guy, if that interests you. Well, just wanted to put a little end cap on this video here. This heater works awesome. I don't have an insulated garage. All the heat was going up out the roof. One thing I noticed right before I originally shut this off, I noticed the gas kind of sounded like it was almost like you were turning the control valve down. Well, I come to find out, I went to use it a couple days later and my propane tank completely was empty. So I think had I kept it running a little longer with a full tank, it would have got quite a bit warmer in here, even without insulation. But all in all, this is an awesome heater. I think it's worth the extra 20 bucks over one of them cheap Ready Glow ones. I've heard complaints about the igniter just clicking all the time on those. This one, the igniter turns off right after it lights. It's just really damn simple with this push button to ignite it. And if you have any the Ridgid 18-volt batteries, you don't even need to hook a extension cord to it. All in all, big thumbs up from the Jackwagon Garage. Thanks for visiting. Be sure to check out my other videos. Got some Chevys in my garage here. It's kind of what I do. Certified shade tree. Be sure to check them out. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff. Till then, peace out.